I guess today I'm just doing a quick video because I've heard about my sweet potato that apparently they don't like the winter. So I'm actually going to dig it up and go from there. I thought this thing would climb, but obviously it's had no interest in climbing. So I'm going to dig this up. My gloves on, by the way. And check this out. So here we go. Okay. So there's lots of leaves that gone in here, which is probably gone to helping it stay in there. Now I'm going to use this plastic bag that's here, so I'm going to move all of this out of the way. This bedding, this will be bedding for the guinea pigs. Those of you who've watched my other videos, I use all of this leaf coverage for my guinea pigs. Anyway, I want to be able to reuse the dirt, just recomposting it, add some worm castings and plant something else inside this. So that's the other reason why. Just going to see. And apparently I can put these slips in water, so I'm going to do another video later on how to cut the slips. So when I planted this, it was from my old house. Found it in the ground. It was just tiny, so we'll be able to see how it's grown. Now these are still green, so I'm guessing it's done really well. I just don't know, because, yeah, let's pick this up. Let's talk again. Oh, look at that. That was a snail. I haven't seen any snails in here before this. So it's going to be interesting. Alrighties. So there's just some baby tubers in here. It's nothing major. See what's happened to it. It looks like it's just had some baby tiny tubers. So maybe it's a good thing that I've decided to dig these up. It's still growing. But yeah, just teeny tiny tubers. That pot was definitely too small for it anyway. So as you can see, they're just very tiny. Apparently these make really good potato candy. I think potato candy, something like that. Something from an American channel that I watched. And there we go. That's that original potato. Okay, so I think I'll continue to grow this. I just not sure what to do with it right now. But it's just taking up that pot. Okay. Well, there you go. Going to plant something else in place of it. So that was my sweet potato harvest. My first go at it. Not successful. And that's what you're going to experience. But, you know, keep going. Keep growing. Bye, peoples.